Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is reproduction and adolescence. In previous video already we have discussed about that. What is the secondary sexual characters for the boys and girls. But students, today now we are going to discuss about the reproductive phase of life in humans. What is that menstruation cycle and what are the periods we will discuss in this video. So let us see students, what is the reproductive phase of life in humans. Students, one adolescents, whenever we are ready, when that it will reach that age 12 years or 11 years, at that time one boy or girl is ready for that adolescent. That means during this periods it starts that secondary characters, okay, and during this time that reproductive organs are ready to reproduce the gametes, okay, it is ready to product that what is that our ovum or eggs or the sperm from the for the boys they can ready to produce that water sperm, and that girls for that they can ready that produce the eggs. That means that they are both ready to produce that water reproductive gametes, or the gametes they are ready to produce the gametes, okay. Students, when the one girl cases, it is very earlier, that is 11 to 12 years, when the age of the girl is reaches at the 11 or 12, that time the girl is ready to produce the eggs or the ovum. But when that in cases of boys, the when the age is reaches that 13 to 14, at that time they are ready to produce, or they are ready to produce the what is the sperm. So students, for the girl cases it is very earlier, it will be stopped, and to reproduction of production of the ovum. But for a boys it will be long time, up to which time it will be last. Almost all that, if you will find out that 15 years below, that ovums or the eggs it will be stopped, that production of the girls. But the sperm can produce for a healthy person for a long time, but more than for a of a girl, okay. So now we will discuss how that production of the males of that gametes, and how that menstruation cycle, and what is that reproductive stages we will discuss in this video. So see students, here adolescents become the capable of the reproduction when the testis in boys and ovaries in the girls begins to produce the gametes. Gametes are ready. Gametes means may it is ovum, that is eggs, or that or may it is also sperm. When that for the boys cases, testes are ready to produce that what sperm, and what is that when that ovary is ready to produce the ovum or the eggs. In female cases, the reproductive phase of the life begins at 11 to 12 years. याद करो बच्चे, जब एक लड़की 11 साल से 12 साल हो जाएगा, वो टाइम पे क्या होता, वो रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज स्टार्ट होता. उसका रिप्रोडक्टिव मतलब वो ओवारी स्टार्ट करता, ओवारी रेडी हो जाता एग्स प्रोड्यूस करने का, ठीक है. सिमिलरली व्हेन इन केस ऑफ मेल केसेस इट स्टार्ट एट 13 टू 14 इयर्स एज, ठीक है. जब एक लड़का 13 साल से 14 साल हो जाता, व्हेनेवर इट रीचेस द 13 इयर्स और 14 इयर्स, at that time the testis, reproductive organ, which one, testis, produce that what, sperm, okay. The testis produces the sperm, okay. The capacity for the production of gametes lasts for much longer time in males than the females. If you come either जब start होता for a girl, for that the gametes can start from the 11 to 12 years, but for boys 13 to 14 it will start, but up to which long time it will be last, it will be stopped. Means when that for that, if you compare that for male and female, males can reproduce that gametes for a long time, for up to as much possible that whenever he was healthy. In female generally last till age of the 45 to 50 years. During this time what will happen, the eggs the production of the eggs or the ovary, it will stop that production of eggs. Okay students. So next, now we will discuss about that. What is that menstruation? You know that very well students. Menstruation is one cyclic process or a life cycle that are periods for a girls or women. Yes, it is generally 28 to 30 days. After that it is starting. So it takes that after that what 28 days after it will start that this periods, and this whole cycles we will discuss about this. Now first of all we will discuss that what is that ovulation. Students, you know that very well. When every 28 days after, when that every day that what will happen, the eggs it will be provide that for that ovary. Okay, and when that ovary will produce the eggs, and sometimes it will be fertilized with the sperm, and sometimes it does not fertilize with the sperm. When that sperm will fertilize with the ovum or eggs, that time it will be growth and result as a pregnancy. Okay, we have to say that the result is a pregnancy, and it will be formed that what a zygote, and it will be developed in embryo. But in case if the egg does not fertilize with sperm, then what will happen, that it will come out through that vagina. So students, during the time when that eggs is produce that ovaries, at that time what will happen friends, the uterus is become thick, the uterus become thick. But when it will be, when that it will be take the fertilization with the sperm, at that time it will be stay, and the embryo and that fertilization or the zygotes will form, and the zygotes will develop. But in case if it does not fertilize with the sperm, the development of the thickness of the uterus lining and starts the bleeding, and with this the bleeding, with the blood along with this gametes, that means that is the eggs, it will both together it will come out through that vagina. Okay, so this is called as menstruation, and the cycle of that menstruation generally or that it takes after that 28 days to 30 days. But this menstruation takes period generally 5 to 7 days. Okay, so for that female cases it will be takes 5 to 7 days, and it will be continuous after that next 28 days after it will be start again. Okay students, so this is whole about that menstruation cycle periods. So see students, once ovulation, what is that? Now the process of release of an ovum or egg by an ovary is called ovulation. So after the 28 days, whenever it will start that produces that ovaries, that eggs or that ovum called as, that process is called as ovulation. Okay, during the period of 28 to 30 days, the wall of the uterus become thick so as receive the fertilized egg during the period of 28 to 30 days. So after that, when the 28 days it will be, then at that time what will happen, the uterus it will become the thick, and to receive the what is that eggs or that ovums, receive the fertilized egg. In case of egg is fertilized by the sperm, then it begins to develop and result in the pregnancy. What will happen, when that ovum or that gametes it will fertilize with the sperm, then the result will become what, pregnancy. At that time we have to say that it will form that what a zygote, and at that time what will happen, it will develop in the uterus or embryo, we have to say. Okay, it begins to develop and fertilize, result is the pregnancy. But if the egg is not fertilized, then the uterus lining and its blood vessels break down and pass out the vagina along with the fertilized egg. This result is bleeding woman. The loss of blood is called as a menstruation. Okay, so when eggs does not fertilize with the sperm, then what will happen? Then the uterus lining and break down the blood vessels, and this blood vessels, then the blood and along with this eggs it will come out through the vagina, and this generally called as a what is that, menstruation. And it during this take place the periods, how many days it takes, generally 5 to 7 days. Okay friends, so this is all about that menstruation cycle, and it is specially takes place in that female cases. So we'll discuss in that our reproductive health now next. Okay friends, so now we'll discuss about that what is that reproductive health. So friends, for health, what is that health? How can we say a person is enjoying health? Okay, when a person enjoying about that free from that tension, when he will be free from the disease, when he is free from the anxiety, okay, that we can say that is the person is enjoying the health. Okay, he is a healthy person. Yes, what is that healthy person? If when a person is enjoying or he is free from the anxiety, and when he is free from that or disease and tension. If he is not suffering tension, he is not suffering about that anxiety, he has no anxiety. So like that, if that he is free, then we have to say he is a healthy person. There is no disease, he is not suffering from any disease, then we can say this he is healthy person. So what are that important things a person should be follow, we will discuss in this video. Healthy is defined as the state of physical, mental and social well-being. Physically, mentally and socially, if well-being, that is called as a health. Okay, did you understand friends? When if it is disorder, then we have say unhealthy. When physical fitness is there, mentally is ready and socially well-being, then we have to say he is a healthy person. But whenever a person is said to be enjoying good health, when he is free from disease, anxiety and tension. If he is a healthy person, then he should be free from the disease. There is no disease, he should not be suffering any disease, and he has no any tension, and also not suffering from the any anxiety. So maintain the good health. Everybody or every one of person should be follow these points. What is that? Have a proper diet. That means diet maintenance must करना है. डाइट नहीं करना है तो हम क्या, तो ओबेसिटी हो जाएगा. डाइट्स मतलब डायबिटीज एंड अदर सो मेनी डिसीज इज द मेन रीजन व्हाट हैपन, दे आर नॉट कंट्रोलिंग और दे आर नॉट डूइंग द डाइट. डाइट कंट्रोल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ए हेल्दी पर्सन. ओके, सो दे हैव टू मेक हैव ए प्रॉपर डाइट, मेंटेन ए पर्सनल हाइजीन. दे शुड बी टेक दैट नीटनेस, क्लीननेस, एंड दे हैव टू टेक दैट बाथ, प्रॉपर बाथ, and they have to be maintains the hygiene means neatness, and keep a domestic hygiene and surrounding that houses also must want to make it the neatness or cleanness. Undertake the physical exercise. He must want to do that exercise, some general morning walk or evening walk, and do some general activities for a day, and keep away from the smoking, alcohol and drugs. She should not take that alcohol, that means wine should not take, or drinks there should not do that, and from the smoking injuries, that smoking should not do also, because smoking already we know that smoking is injurious for health. And also drugs also nowadays so many members they are like Bollywood stars, those who are film actors, they are taking nowadays drugs for the, so that should not be, it is not good for also health. Okay friends, so I hope you have understood about that what is that good health. I hope you will be maintaining also your good health by following these conditions, these points, and it is now over about your chapter, and you have to be practiced, and you have to get ready for your also unit upcoming your unit test. Okay friends, thank you all of you, have a nice day, enjoy.